Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some potato bakes. Let's get right into it. Here I'm adding some flour, but I would advise you to sift your flour whenever you're using flour for anything. Add some brown sugar, some salt, some baking powder. I'm going to add some yeast in here, some vegetable shortening, and some butter. And I'm going to be listing all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. And this is not self-raising flour, guys. This is just ordinary all-purpose flour, so I did add the baking powder and yeast, as you can see. Mix it well until it becomes a dough ball. Cover and set aside. Now peel, wash, and cut up some English potato. Add it into a pot with some salt and water, and once it boils and becomes fork tender, remove them from the pot. Place them into a bowl while it is still hot, and then you're going to go ahead and add some butter into the pan, and this is just my way of doing it, all right? Then I'm going to add some onions, some garlic, some flavored pepper, or if you have sweet pepper or bell pepper as you call it, you can put it in there, some chives, and then I did crushed 1 cube. Place it into here, and you want this to cook just for about a minute or two until the onion and garlic soften up. Once it's done, we're going to take it out from the pan and add it straight over into the bowl with the potato. Crush it up and let this sit aside until it is cool, because you don't want to put it into the dough while it is still warm. And guys, I'm telling you, there's no excuse to make these mouth-watering potato bakes. You need to give them a try and thank me later. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, kindly please do so. Alright, so I'm going to set this aside and attend to my dough now. So over floured surface, I'm going to pour my dough out here. And you can weigh your dough if you don't have the average of making the same size of bakes. I'm good at this. I just eyeball, I just feel, and I do my thing. So from this mixture, like I said, I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements below. I did make 6 bakes with this. Now I'm going to make some little balls with them, just like this. Set it aside, cover them, and let them sit again for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of sitting there, it's time for me to do the filling. So you can use a rolling pin to flatten the dough out. I'm going to do it this way. And then I'm going to add my seasoned potato into here. So I would put a generous amount into here and just hold the sides like this and fold it in. Simple and easy to put together, guys. Make it into a nice little dough ball. And that's how you do it. Once I'm done with them, I'm going to place them right back onto the countertop, cover them, and let them sit for about another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's time for frying. I have a pan with oil over medium heat, and you don't want the oil to be too hot. And I'm going to roll my bakes out. Now, you don't want to apply too much of pressure with the rolling pin onto the bakes, and you want to just turn them, roll them a little, just so that the potato filling can spread right through to the end of the dough. So I roll them, leave them, and it's time for frying. Place them into here. And at this time, you want to use a spoon to continuously pour the oil over the dough. And when the bottom is golden brown, you want to flip it and cook the other side until golden brown also. Simple and easy, guys. Now remember, you don't want the oil to be too smoking hot, okay? And as you can see that it has raised nicely, I'm going to flip it over right now. Has a beautiful color, and those brown things you're seeing on the bake is because I was frying the rest before. So you're gonna find a little flour in the pan that, you know, got a little brown. So this is how I do it. Flip it on both sides until they're golden brown and nice and well cooked. And there you have it, guys. Our potato bakes are all done. There were 6, and trust me, I had to eat one before I come on here. Let me break into it and show you. Simple and easy again. There's no excuse to make them. They're mouth-watering. Give them a try and thank me later, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.